Unit 12b4, I'd like to remind you that light also plays an incredibly important role in a video project. If you're outside, you're using the sun as your primary source of light, don't forget to use diffusion if you're in a bright sunny situation, or a reflector if you're trying to bounce light into a dark place where the subject might need to be standing, depending on the shoot that you're doing. Light is something that can be crafted, changed, bent, altered, and light should be paid attention to. Camera operator, always keep your back to the sun unless the director has a really good reason for telling you otherwise, and just pay attention in general to how light affects your subject. How and where is the light hitting your subject's face? How is the light hitting the background? Is the light illuminating the parts of the shot that are important to be illuminated? If not, move the shot, move the camera, move the subject around until the lighting is just right. Lighting affects the background, and it affects the subject, and it affects where the audience is going to look at the shot. So pay attention to that light, in addition to the sound and the picture and the composition and the acting and all the other elements of mise-en-scène that are going to make this project look great. What's mise-en-scène you want to know? You'll learn later, maybe in video 2.